let's look at some of these solutions now. So I need a pen for a start. Okay, so the first one is to find the measure of the angle A. So I want to find the measure of this angle. Okay, I know that the external angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So that means that A equals 100 plus 40, which equals 140 degrees. Reason, exterior angle. Don't forget the rule. You always need a rule or an explanation for what you've done. Now looking at the next one, I know put this angle down here. Don't forget that's 90 degrees. So my external angle is equal to the sum of these two. So here I can say that the angle, should put it in properly, size of the angle A is equal to 70 degrees plus 90 degrees, which equals 160 degrees exterior angle. Okay, better put this in as well. Now this one here, my exterior angle is equal to the sum again. So the size of the angle A is equal to 45 degrees plus 70 degrees, which equals to 115 degrees. Again, for the same reason, exterior angle. So if I go down here to this question, again, my exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So this time, what I can write is 150 is equal to A plus 80. If I swap everything around, I get A plus 80 is equal to 150. I take 80 from both sides. What do I get? I get A equals 70 degrees. What's the reason? Exterior angle. Okay, let's look at question 3. Find the value of the angle B. Okay, so same thing here. So what can I say? I can say that B is equal to 30 plus 80, and that's 110 degrees exterior angle. Okay, here, same thing. Now, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so that means that these two sides are the same and these two angles are the same. I'm going to call that angle C and angle C. Now, how am I going to work out what angle C is? Well, I know that 75 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So I can say that C, two C's, equals 105 degrees. So that means that one C is equal to 52.5 degrees. Okay, so then, so that means that C is equal to 52.5 degrees, and so B is going to be equal to 75 plus 52.5 degrees. And let me get my calculator. Delete 5, no, again. Okay, and that is 127.5 degrees. Okay, now another way of doing this was you could have said that this angle here was 52.5 degrees, and this is a straight line, so you could have said 180 minus 52.5 and you get 127.5 degrees, so you get the same answer. Anyway, so it makes no difference which rule you use as long as you show the rule. Okay, so for this one here, angle B, that's 90 degrees. So angle B is equal to 90 plus 40, which is 130 degrees. Okay, I need to know angle B. Well, there's a few ways I could do this, but if I know this straight line, so that's 180, so that's 80. Okay, and if I want to know what angle B is, I know that 115 plus, sorry, let me work that out, 115 is equal to, hope that's the right one, 115 equals B plus 80. Okay, swap them round. B plus 80 is equal to 115. So B, again, another mistake, to take 80 away from both sides. Okay, don't need that equal sign in the middle because yeah. Okay. And then I'm going to be left with B equals 115 minus 80, 35. Okay, now find the size of the angles marked in each of these. So this question here, well, that's an isosceles triangle, so I can say that B is equal to 20, and then an isosceles. And then A is equal to 160 because it's a straight line. Okay, so if I go down here, well, I can say that B here, B is equal to 180 minus 130, so that's 50 degrees, and that's a line. And then if I want to get A, well, I can add those up and take it away from 180, or I can say that 130 is equal to 52 plus A, so 52 plus A is equal to 130, that's equals, take 52 from both sides, and I get A equals 130 minus 52 gives me 78 degrees. Then, okay, so this triangle here is an isosceles triangle, so that means angle A is equal to angle B. So they are the same. That's a 90-degree angle there. So if I have 180, which is a full triangle, and I take away 90, not 99, I get 90 degrees. So these two angles, which are the same, are 90 degrees. So 90 divided by 2 is 45 degrees, and that's angle A and angle B. So then I want to find out angle C. Well, angle C is going to be 180, take away 45, which is 135 degrees. Okay, now let's look at what we can see here. I like to start filling in things whether I work them out or not. Okay, so in this triangle here, that's 60, and that's 65, and all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. Well, that means that that's 125. So 180 minus 125 is going to be 55 degrees. So that one's 55 degrees. Okay. So that means angle B is equal to 180 minus 55 degrees. So that's going to be 125 degrees. Of course it is, because it's the exterior to those two. Yes, so yeah. And that's triangle. Okay, now, and then angle A is going to be 180. Take away 30, take away 125. So 180, take away 30, take away 125. So angle A is equal to 25 degrees. Okay, so now I need to make some room for myself here. Okay, nearly there, nearly there. Let's get to writing again. So my last question, and I'm still have an eraser. I need a pencil, please. Thank you. Okay, so this is my exterior angle. These are the opposite interior angles. So I can say that A is equal to 90 plus 32, which is 122 degrees. Yes? Okay. So A is 122 degrees. So then if I want to get angle B, I can add that and that together and take it away from 180. So 122 plus 28 is 150. So 180, take away 150, that gives me 30 degrees is angle B.